Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where DLL register server was not found in Windows, then please watch this video. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Paste this command here. I have shared it in the description section of the video. Basically, this is the path to the registry server and hit enter. Okay, so if it gives this, then it means that that server is present. But if it gives another error, then it means that the red server is not present. In that case, you do not have any other option. You'll have to go for the cloud reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery and then select reset PC, select remove everything and then select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.